Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Faiza Khan, working as dental surgeon in Meiman Medical Institute Hospital. Today I'm going to discuss about the teeth whitening procedure, the myths and misconceptions. Teeth whitening procedure is a popular cosmetic dental procedure all around the world, but it is surrounded by myths and misconceptions. Today I will discuss about the professional teeth whitening procedure so that you can separate the myths from the facts. The most common myth is that teeth whitening procedure can damage the tooth surface or enamel. But the fact is that professional teeth whitening procedure is completely safe and it has no impact on your tooth surfaces. Another myth is that teeth whitening is a permanent solution, and the fact is that whitening effect fades over time and the results depends on the lifestyle factor like diet and oral hygiene. Another myth is that teeth whitening procedure is painful, and the fact is that the procedure itself is not painful, but some patients may experience the post-operative sensitivity for a short period of time. Home remedies like lemon juices, strawberries, baking soda, and activated charcoal patients uses at home for the teeth whitening, but the fact is that these methods they are not safe, they damage the tooth surfaces and are not recommended. Teeth whitening toothpastes are more effective than the procedure, but the fact is that teeth whitening toothpaste can remove the surface stains, but it does not change the color of natural teeth. Another myth is that patient thinks that they can whiten their crown, veneers, fillings and dentures through whitening procedure. But the fact is that teeth whitening procedures are only effective on the natural teeth surfaces. All the teeth whitening procedures are equal, but the fact is that professional teeth whitening procedure is far more effective than over-the-counter products because they contain lower concentration of active ingredients. If you want to go for the teeth whitening procedure, please always seek professional help.